I had a plan of making a bandit pack for Makerworld. And I thought, how can I make it different? How can I design it like no other else? Like, how can I provoke emotions in players when they're coming to the table? And that's why I thought about these. They are bandits on wheelchairs. And just because you're disabled does not mean you could be a asshole. Disabled people need some, like, they need to be represented. I can't say it in English. Represented. And I thought this was a very good way to show that disabled people can still be assholes. They can still be mean people. But I just show, like, it's also fun just to think about, like, you're getting mocked by bandits in wheelchairs. Like, they take your money and then they just like very slowly. They don't have, the power to move fast. I just like the idea of them just, going mad. I have given them all names. This one is Angry Marianne. Her backstory: she is a mother of 3 children, and she can be very angry at sometimes. But my mother is named Marianne. This is Mad Matilda. I have a cousin called Matilda. That's why I picked it. So we have Fat Igor. I just like the name Igor. And I like that he was so fat that he needed a wheelchair. And just because you're disabled and fat does not mean you can be a bad person. So we got Fat Igor. Then we got a Crooked Nose Nicholas, one of my classmates. One of my classmates is named Nicholas. Nicholas Nose is fine, but it would just be fun, like Crooked Nose Nicholas. That was the only reason. And the last one was Cutthroat Ursula. Like, sorry to all the Ursulas out there, but it's just a villain name after the Little Mermaid. I'm Danish, so maybe I'm extremely biased when it comes to villains, and especially the Little Mermaid. I just thought that it could be extremely fun to give other people the opportunity to say that, and here are the 5 bandits that are tracking you or that are hunting you or want to rob you in the forest, and then these 5 just roll in, and they just what the like, their arm strength is fantastic and their grip strength, but their legs, so anyway. Like, you have to walk a fine line when you're talking about disabled people and making fun. So I hope this comes out in good taste. But yeah, I like this one. If you want to have some fun bandits, then I think these could give a unique experience. But, but yeah, have a nice day and happy printing.